Let's be honest, standard Windows is a bloated mess. Right out of the box, your PC is constantly choking on useless background apps, forced telemetry, and hidden processes you'll never touch. All that clutter actively eats up your CPU and RAM, leaving you with annoying micro stutters, lower frame rates, and a system that just feels heavy. And don't even get me started on those random Windows updates that decide to download right in the middle of a competitive match. But what if you could strip all of that away? Enter Atlas OS. Atlas OS completely guts the Windows bloatware. It locks down forced updates, slashes your idle CPU usage to almost zero, and optimizes your entire system configuration. We are talking about a massive jump in gaming FPS, significantly lower input delay, and a desktop experience that is blazing fast and ultra responsive. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the correct step-by-step professional setup to get Atlas OS running perfectly on your machine without breaking anything. So, if you're ready to unlock your hardware's true potential, let's dive right in. All right, before we even download the Atlas OS files, we need to prepare your PC. This is the most crucial step because if you skip this, the installation might fail or cause errors later on. Honestly, the absolute best way to experience Atlas OS is to start fresh. Just back up all your important files to an external drive or cloud storage and do a clean install of standard Windows 11 or fully update your current Windows. Now, if you absolutely cannot reinstall Windows and want to keep your current setup, you must ensure it is fully updated. All right, now you can go ahead and open up your favorite web browser and search for Atlas OS. Make sure you head into the official website. You want to be absolutely sure you are on the right site so you don't download some sketchy version. I'll put the exact URL on the screen right now, just to be safe. Once you're on the page, if you scroll down a bit, you can check out a brief overview of what Atlas does, like enhancing your privacy and pushing your performance to the max. Now, let's scroll back up to the top and click on that big Get Started button. Right here, the site is going to show you an official installation guide. But honestly, you don't even need to look at that because you are watching this video anyway. So, just click on I'm following the guide, show me the downloads to move forward. Next, check the box that says I confirm I am following the installation guide, and that will unlock the official links. From here, you can download both the Atlas Playbook and the AME Wizard. Once they are downloaded, I'm going to move both files over to the desktop just to keep things easy. Now, we need to extract the zip files. Once that's done, find the amebeta.exe file, double-click it, and open it up. Inside the interface, click on Use Existing, because we need to locate and open that Atlas Playbook file we just extracted on our desktop. Go ahead, select the Atlas Playbook file, and open it. Now, the wizard is going to ask you to turn off your Windows Security Guard. To do that, click on Run Action, then hit Open Windows Security, and go ahead and toggle real-time protection off. All right, now hit Next. At this stage, the wizard is going to scan your PC to verify if you are running a fully updated compatible version of Windows and that everything is ready for the install. Once the check passes and everything is green, go ahead and agree to their license terms. This brings us to the configuration screen where you can choose what features you want to keep or disable. But listen carefully, you absolutely must leave Windows Security enabled here. Do not turn it off completely in this menu. Keep that guard checked for your safety. From there, you can customize the rest of the options based on your personal choice, like disabling hibernation or core isolation for better performance. Once you've made your choices, click Next. Now, just leave your PC alone. Make sure it stays powered on and does not turn off while it installs. Once the installation finishes, your PC will automatically restart on its own, and just like that, Atlas OS is officially installed. And boom, just look at this. Now that we are back at the desktop, open up the Start menu. Okay, remember all that pre-installed junk and random apps we had before? It's completely gone. It's snappy, it's clean, and the whole system just feels like it's finally breathing. But the real proof is right here. Open up your Task Manager. Look at that CPU and RAM usage. It's barely doing anything at idle. That's the overhead your PC desperately needed. And now your games have all that breathing room to actually hit those high FPS numbers without stuttering. And before you jump into a game, check this out. This is the Atlas Toolbox. This is your command center. You can tweak your power plans, manage your network settings, and keep your system optimized with just one click. It's basically the final touch to make sure this performance stays dialed in. Honestly, if this video helped you rescue your PC from the Windows bloat, smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ran into any issues, and make sure to subscribe because I've got way more videos coming your way.